Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce ourselves. We are from Group G. We will present the final result of the accountant project that analyze the finance of the CAM Golf and Country Club, company located in KBP, Padalarang. Don't forget, we will also introduce ourselves, starting from me. My name is Muhammad Fahri Kazim.
And my name is Bintang Haikal Sugomo.
My name is Malik Ramadan.
My name is Asmita.
Okay, let's go straight to the first 9 stage of the accountant cycle, namely the general journal.
Hello guys, in this time I'm Bintang Haikal and my friend with Malik Ramadan. This time I will present project accountancy business. In the page 1 is a background. This paper discusses the accounting system implemented at Calm Green Golf and Country Club, a company in the sport and recreation sector, specifically in the sport of golf, location in Kota Baru Parahyangan, Padalarang. With its complex operational activities, the company requires a well-structured financial recording system to support business continuity and ensure financial transparency. And then the page 2.
In the page 2, we have introduction case. In this case, study examines the financial condition of Calm Green Golf and Country Club located in Kota Baru Parahyangan, Padalarang. The company operates a golf course as its main business activity. The focus of the study is on the accounting record prepared at the end of the month, specifically on October 31, 2024.
In the page 3 is a general journal. General journal in accounting is a journal used to record all of a company financial transaction in chronological order before they are posted to the general ledger. Function of the general journal to record all transactions that are not recorded in specialist journal, to provide the initial record for each business transaction, and then to ensure that accounting principles such as debit and credit are properly followed. And the last is to assist in tracking transaction for audits or inspection.
In general journal, we work in group, and last total is in debit is 81,900 dollar, and in credit 81,000 and $900 dollar, and total is debit and credit is balance.
And then we start from 1 October until 30 October.
Ledger is a book or digital record that contains all the financial accounts of a business. It shows the detailed financial activity and the balance of each account over time. The ledger is also known as the general ledger and serves as the central source of information used to prepare financial statements. Point 1. To summarize all transaction record in journals. Point 2. To track balance of individual accounts. Point 3. To provide data for financial statement prepared. Okay, next. 1. Cash $22,100 in debit. 2. Accounts receivable $3,400 in debit. Supplies totals $1,350 in debit. Prepaid insurance $1,500 in debit. Equipment totals $14,500 in debit. Accumulated depreciation totals $330,000 in credit. Account payable totals $800 in credit. Wages payable $120 in credit. Unearned revenue totals $2,500 in credit. Prepaid rent totals $3,200 in debit. And business capital total $30,000 in credit. Service revenue total $23,450 in credit. Utilities expense total $512 in debit. Advertising expense total $120 in debit. Depreciation expense total $330,000 in debit. Insurance expense total $300 in debit. Wage expense totals $1,620 in debit. And last, supplies expense total $850 in debit.
Okay, now I will explain about trial balance. A trial balance is a summary list of all ledger account balance at the end of accounting period. It is used to verify that the total of all debit balance equal the total of all credit balance. If the two sides are equal, it means that mathematically the recording of transaction has been accurate. The trial balance serves as the starting point for preparing the financial statement, such as the income statement and balance sheet. The source of the trial balance is the general ledger, which contains all the recorded transactions classified into accounts such as asset, liability, capital, revenue, and expense. As we can see, in the general ledger, the current balance of the cash account is on debit side with an amount $22,100. When we then entered this amount into the trial balance under the debit column as well. The same process applies to the other account accordingly. Based on our completed work in trial balance table above from Calm Green Golf and Country Club as October 31, 2024. Each account and its corresponding amount was taken from the grouping of balance in the general ledger. When preparing the trial balance, we follow the basic accountant rules that if the current balance of an account in the ledger is on the debit side, it should also be placed in the debit column of the trial balance and vice versa for credit. As shown in the table, both the total debit and credit balance amount to $59,075, which indicate that the accounting record have been done systematically and correctly. This balance reflects that there are no mathematical error in journalizing or posting transaction from the journal to the ledger. Overall, the presentation of this trial balance serves as an important step in the accounting cycle. It helps ensure that the books are in balance before moving on the preparation of final statement, such as the income statement and the balance sheet.
Now I'm explain adjusting entries. Adjusting entries are journal entries made at the end of an accounting period to ensure that all revenues and expenses are recorded in the correct period in accordance with the accrual basis of accounting. Purpose of adjusting entries. Point 1. To recognize revenues earned but not yet recorded. Point 2. To record expenses incurred but not yet recorded to allocate prepaid expense or unearned revenues properly. Last point. To insurance compliance with general asset account receivable or IFRS. Next. And last, total adjusting entries amount to $335,160.
Okay, now I will explain about adjusted trial balance. Adjusted trial balance is a list of all account balance after adjusting entries have been made at the end of the accounting period. It ensures that the debit and credit balance are equal and accurate before the financial statement are prepared. A purpose of the adjusting trial balance: 1. To verify the total debit equal total credit after adjustment. 2. To check the accuracy of posting adjusting entry. And number 3. to provide the final balance of all accounts used in preparing income statement, statement of owner equity, and the last balance sheet. Okay, now we can see on the table of Calm Green Golf and Country Club adjusted real balance October 31, 2024. The final result is a total is balance. In the debit, nominal is 3,086 $80.70, and the credit $3,086.87.
In the next slide, we have worksheet. Worksheet in accounting is a multi-column document used by accountants to organize and summarize all accounting data at the end of an accounting period. It helps in the preparation of financial statement by showing the flow from the unadjusted trial balance to the adjusted trial balance and finally to the financial statements. Purpose of the accounting worksheet: to compile and organize accounting data in one place. In point 2, to ensure all adjusting entries and correctly made. Number 3 is to simplify the preparation of financial statements. In the last, to detect errors before formal reporting. This is worksheet Calm Green Golf and Country Club, and me and my team work in the last week. This is account title like cash, receivables, supplies, prepaid rent, prepaid insurance, equipment. Next is trial balance. This section shows the unadjusted balance of all accounts before adjustment are made. Example, cash in debit is 2002 and $100. In credit is service revenue $2,000 and $150. In debit we have total like 56,000 and 56,000 and $750, and in credit we have 56,000 and $750. In trial balance we have balance in debit and credit. Next is adjustment. This part includes the adjusting journal entries, which are needed to update the balance for items like supply use, like 500 in credit, like $550, and rent expense in $1,600 from prepaid train. In adjustment we have in debit 30,000 and $3,150. In credit we have 3,000, 35 and $370. Next, adjusted trial balance. This section reflects the balance after adjustment are made. It is the updated data used to prepare the financial statement. For example, supplies like original dikurang adjustment, and result is 1,035. And then in debit we have $386 $86 and $870. And in credit we have $386 and $870. In usual balance we have balance in debit and credit. And then in income statement is shows our revenues and expense, like total revenue in 23 to 23,000 and $450. And then in debit we have 3,034 and $120. And credit we have 23,000 and 150. And last in balance sheet we have display the company's financial position. In debit we have $50,000 and $250. And credit we have 300,000 and 300,000 and 420. Sorry, my English is bad. And then in final summary, the worksheet is complete and can be used to directly prepare financial statement. Next, we have
Guys, in this time I will be trying to income statement. In the income statement, Calm Green Golf and Country Club in October 31 and 2024. In the service revenue we have $23,450. And then in the expense we have total expense is $34,820. In the profit of October we have $311,000 and $1,700. Income statement, also known as a profit and loss statement, is a financial report that show as a company revenue, expense and profit or loss over a specific period of the time, such as monthly, quarterly or annually, evaluating financial performance, decision making, tracking revenue and expense. Okay.
Owner equity. The owner's equity statement in accounting, also known as the statement of change in owner equity, is a financial report that explains the change in the owner's equity of a business over a specific period. This statement outlines how the owner's equity has changed due to various factors such as profit or loss, owner contribution, and withdrawals by the owner. The main components typically included in the owner's equity statement are: point 1, owner's equity at the beginning of the period; point 2, owner's contribution; point 3, net income or loss; point 4, owner withdrawals; and last point, other adjustment. and the total owner's equity is negative $287,117.
Hello guys, in the next page I will be trying to balance sheet. In the balance sheet, the total asset of balance sheet is 950 dollars, and then total liabilities is $3,420. Balance sheet is one of the main financial statement that show a company financial position at a specific point in time and reflects what the company owns and the owner's equity. Thank you guys.
Next, we have cash flow. Cash flow is a financial report that shows in the inflow and outflow of cash in a business over a specific period. It reflects how the company generates and uses cash through operating, investing, and financing activities. Cash flow is crucial because it indicates the company's liquidity, its ability to meet short-term obligations, operate effectively, and invest in future growth. Purpose of the cash flow statement. Point 1 is to evaluate the company's ability to generate cash, and number 2 is to understand where cash comes from and how it is spent. Point 3 is to support financial decision making, and last, number 4, to reveal the company's short-term financial health. This is cash flow in the Calm Green Golf and Country Club. In net cash provided by operating activities, we have $11,200, and then we have net cash provided by investing activities. We have $1,200. In net cash provided by financing activities, we have $7,100, and then net increase in cash in 1 October 2024 is $0, and cash in October 31, 2024 is $12,100. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain about closing entry. Closing entry represent the final step in the accounting cycle before starting a new period. In this step, we close temporary account. In other words, we bring their balance to zero. There are two types of account involved in the closing process: temporary account and permanent account. In the temporary account, we have all revenue account, all expense account, withdrawal, and dividend. These accounts are closed at the end of the period to separate the current year's financial performance from the next. Resetting their balance to zero help us start fresh for the new accounting period. And we have permanent account. The permanent account is all asset account, all liabilities account, and equity. In the table, closing entries about Calm Green Golf Country, we have service revenue $23,045 in debit position, and then we include the income summary at the same nominal in the credit, and we make to zero nominal because we want to close the account because it's revenue, it's all revenue account. And then all expense we make to zero again, like service revenue, because it's a temporary account, yeah. And then we can we can see the result is balanced. The nominal is 60 75 $64. Okay, it's a closing entry from Calm Green and Country Club in KBP Parahyangan.
And last, we have post-closing trial balance. Closing entries are journal entries made at the end of an accounting period to close temporary account and transfer that balance to permanent account, such as owner's equity or retained earnings. The primary purpose is to reset the balance of temporary accounts like revenues, expense, and dividends to zero, preparing them for the next accounting period. This is Calm Green Golf and Country Club post-closing trial balance in October 31, 2024. In debit, we have $333 and $20,000. In credit, we have 30 and $420. In debit and credit is balance.
Hello guys, in the final of presentation this group, and then this is a conclusion from our group G, and then Calm Green Golf and Country Club financial review for the fiscal year ending October 31 in 2024. So as challenging situation due to high cost and weak capital structure. Although the club made a profit of $23,450 in October. Its expense were is $33,420, primarily due to depreciation of $33,000. The result is a net loss of $311,370, reducing owner equity to $28,737, compound by $6,600 withdrawal. The balance sheet show asset of $500, but significant negative equity, raising concern about its long-term financial health. Cash flow increased by $22,100 from operation and owner contribution. Despite complete financial reporting, the club Mas Andres is going down through strategic improvement. Thank you for your attention with the Kelompok G, and enjoy to play this video, and thank you guys.